Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the ICD-10 2025 app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. ICD-10 2025 is a medical coding and reference app designed to help healthcare professionals, medical coders, and students access the latest ICD-10 codes with ease. It offers an updated and searchable database of diagnostic codes, enabling users to quickly find classifications by keyword, code, or category. The app also includes guidelines, coding notes, and cross-references to help ensure accurate coding. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. Users appreciate the app's offline access, simple interface, and fast search functionality. It's especially helpful for coders and physicians who need quick lookups during clinical work. The app also receives regular updates aligned with global ICD revisions, ensuring the database stays current. That said, it's not without flaws. Some users report occasional bugs, especially with advanced search filters, and the free version includes ads that can disrupt workflow. There are also mixed reviews about the layout on tablets, with a few users suggesting better optimization for larger screens. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, ICD-10 2025 is a valuable reference tool for those in the medical field needing quick access to diagnostic codes. While not a substitute for full-scale coding systems used in hospitals, it's an efficient, on-the-go solution for everyday reference. Premium users get an ad-free experience and a few added features, making it even more useful for serious professionals. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.